Here we have a 2020 BMW 320i M Sport. Now this vehicle comes with 19-inch alloy wheels, all of them in excellent condition. You can even see the blue M Sport brake calipers just behind. We also have the mineral white metallic paintwork, along with the LED headlights at the front. We have the two black kidney grills. We also have the M Performance kit, which includes the front splitter just down here. Coming around to the passenger side, you'll find the second alloy wheel. We also have the colour-coded door handles and door mirrors, black trim around the windows with privacy glass for the rear passengers. We also have the shark fin antennae just up top. Let's take a look now at the third alloy wheel. As you can see, excellent condition. This vehicle does have front and rear parking sensors with a visual display inside. We also have reversing cameras. Taking a look at the rear, you'll find the dual exit exhausts. And if we open up the boot, in here you can find that there is plenty of space for whatever you may need. Let's close that back up now though. And this vehicle is free from any major marks, dents or scratches. Coming around, let's take a look at the final alloy wheel. And inside you'll find the full leather interior. We also have the foldable armrest in the centre, the fixed ISO punch just down there. We have the M Sport style seat belts. We also have the separate climate control for the rear passengers. And onto the doors we have the brushed metal handles, the electric windows. We also have the ambient lighting just here, integrated speakers and some storage space. Now in the front you'll find the same full leather interior, however these front seats are heated, and here is a look at them. On the doors we have the same brushed metal handle, the electric windows with trial lock for the rear, the electric power folding mirrors. We also have the auto lights just down there, multifunctional steering wheel with the likes of cruise control and speed limiter. We also have the paddle shifters on both sides. We have the auto wipers just there as well. If we put our foot on the brake and press the start button, the car will start up for us. And as you can see, we are free from any warning lights on the dashboard. Moving over into the centre console, you'll find the main infotainment screen with the likes of sat-nav. We also have a range of media, so we have DAB radio, we also have Spotify, music collection, Bluetooth audio, and plenty of other options just down here. We also have the phone connectivity just here, and we have plenty of apps installed onto this car as well. If we go back onto home, go over to car, here you can find plenty of driving information. So for example, let's go into sports displays. If we go back, we can go into the car settings and go over into interior lighting. This is where you find all the ambient lighting. You can change to whatever colour you think looks best. We also have the different drive modes, so we have adaptive, we also have Eco Pro, Comfort and Sport. This also changes the dashboard, so this is Sport, this is Comfort, this is Eco Pro, and this is adaptive. If we put the car into reverse, you'll find the reversing cameras and parking sensors. Let's put it back into park now. Moving further down, if we press this button, you'll find the intelligent safety. We also have the climate control just down here with the ice cold air conditioning. Over in here we have storage space. We also have a USB port, 12-volt connectivity and two good sized cup holders inside of here. We also have the gear stick just here, the shortcuts for the main infotainment screen. We have the traction control button, the parking sensors button, the auto start button. We also have the drive modes just down here with the auto hold button and the electric handbrake. We have the nice leather armrest which can be opened up for extra storage. Inside of here you'll find the Type-C USB ports. And that is everything that I'm going to show you guys today. If you want to find out more, please check out the website. This vehicle comes with a fresh service, fresh MOT, HPI clear, competitive finance deals and free nationwide next day delivery. Thank you for watching.
Video test drive of this BMW 320i M Sport. Now the purpose of this video test drive today is to show you that the vehicle drives exactly how I'd expect it to. As you can see, I'm not into fight with steering wheel to keep it in a straight line, so you're straight and true, not veering off to the left or to the right hand side. We have a multifunction steering wheel power shift on the rear, which take the car into manual mode. You also have your cruise control and speed limiter on the left hand side. We have the digital dash in front of me, which you can change what information is displayed on the right hand side. We have very comfortable full leather seats throughout this vehicle, 2 front seats being heated, so for those cold winter mornings where it doesn't make the difference. We also have the extended fire support just down there as well. We have your electric windows, electric power folding mirrors. Now this vehicle does come with just over £3,100 worth of optional extras included. One of these optional extras is the M Sport Plus package. Now we do have your auto lights, ambient lighting all over the interior of this vehicle. You can also come to the big satellite navigation screen in the centre where you can see satellite navigation. You have your Bluetooth media, Bluetooth audio connectivity, DAB radio. You also have your front and rear parking sensor with visual display, and also your rear reversing camera. You get different drive modes, so you do get Sports, Comfort, Sports Plus, Individual, and Eco. You do also get your adaptive cruise control there. Not cruise control, adaptive drive mode. Now you do also get your electric parking brake with auto hold just down there as well. Now we do have dual zone climate control with ice cold aircon there too. Now, if you're test driving this vehicle today, you'll be listening out for anyone to knocks or bangs, and if you've been listening out during this test drive video, there hasn't been any, which is always a bonus when buying a used car. So right now, I'm going to the industrial estate where I'm going to take a right, I'm going to perform an emergency stop, I'm going to pop it straight into reverse, just show brakes work exactly how you'd expect them to. And you'll see pop up on the centre screen the rear reversing camera. So just coming up to the industrial estate now, hopefully there's no traffic blocking the way, and there isn't, so I'll be able to pull straight in. I'll do emergency stop from the countdown of 3. So 3, 2, 1. Hard onto the brakes, straight into reverse, no issues whatsoever. And you can see the camera just there. Back into drive, again, no issues whatsoever. If you're test driving this vehicle today, you'll be listening out for anyone to knocks or bangs. And if you're listening out during this test drive video, there hasn't been any, which is always a bonus when buying a used car. Now, if you haven't answered all of your questions and inquiries during this test drive and walk-around video, please feel free to get in contact with the sales team, where they can answer any of those questions or inquiries. But that's it for me in this walk-around video. Test drive video today from you soon. Cheers.